The CSS grid also allows us to set a range for the track size by adding a minimum and maximum size, which it should be. We'll do this with the min-max function, and we can do this inside of our columns or rows. If we go to the columns to begin, we can remove this repeat and then replace it with the min-max function. Inside the brackets, this also takes in two values. The first is the minimum size of the column, so let's say 160 pixels. And then the second value is the maximum size. So let's go for 200 pixels. So this section will apply to the first column. And let's add a couple more columns in. The second one can be 1 FR. And then the third one will make it twice the size of 2 FR. Then over to the browser. So this first one is the one we're interested in. This is the one using min-max, and the size should be between 160 and 200 pixels. To check this is working, we can open up the developer tools and inspect the first column. Okay, so let's go over to the inspector. If we hover over this item, we can see the size is set to 200 pixels. Then the second one is 1 FR, so it will take up one part of the available space. And then the third one is set at 2 FR, so this should be twice the available space. So this is 518, and this one is 259, which is exactly half. We can also better see this min-max in action by shrinking the browser down to a smaller size. And then let's hover over this first item again, and you can see even though this browser is really small, we now have a minimum value of 160 pixels. So this min-max function is really useful when we want to have fine control over the size our tracks display, and this is how we can use it.